Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video let's design this machine part in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. And to do this, first you go to new, part, solid, assign the name and say OK. Now to design this kind of part, first you go for all add material feature and then you go for remove material feature. So let's start this part with this base, and for this go to extrude onto the front datum plane, normal, draw the center line, then a circle, just like this. The dia of circle is 70. Then draw a line this side, let it be symmetry. Then an arc from here this side, make it tangent. Then mirror this arc using this center line. Then mirror this entire section using this center line. Now go to delete segment and delete these segments. Now the dimension. So from here till here this is 75. Now this is 25 and this is 5. Say OK. The total height is 80 and make it symmetry. Say OK. So the base feature is done. Now the second feature is this feature, and for this once again go to extrude, select the front datum, normal, create a reference here, then draw a center line, then a circle somewhere here, then draw a line, start from somewhere here to this, let it be tangent, then go to tangent and make this side also tangent, then mirror this line, go to delete segment, delete this segment and this segment, arc, close this sketch just like this. Now the dimension. So from here till here this is 75 and this is 15. Say OK. Now this is 44, 10 plus 10 plus 24, make it symmetry and say OK. Now the third feature is this rib. So go to rib, select this right datum plane, normal. Now draw a line from this point to this side. Now I need this dimension, and for this I need this center axis, but this center axis is missing in the part. So I'll just say OK. I'll create a rough rib for time being and I'll say OK. Now I'll edit the second feature. I'll go to the sketch and here I'll add a datum point to get a center axis. Say OK and OK. So now I have this center axis. Now edit the third feature and add the dimension. So from this center line to this is 16 and say OK. The rib thickness is 10, say OK. Once again go to rib, same datum plane, draw the line from this point to this side, dimension from this center axis to this point, this is 16, say OK. Rib thickness is 10 and say OK. So all add material features are done. Now I'll go with remove material feature. So first I'll create this feature, and for this go to extrude, select this surface, normal, draw the circle. The dia of circle is 50. say OK. Flip the direction. Now the depth, make it 2 next and say OK. Now the next feature is this cut, and for that go to extrude. Select the right datum. Draw the rectangle from here, this side. Draw center line. Make this rectangle symmetry. This point to this center line. Now the dimension. So this is 24. Then from this center line to this is 25. Say OK. Go to remove material. Then go to option and say through all. Then the second direction and say through all and say OK. Now the next feature is this hole, and for this go to hole, select this surface, switch on the datum, press and hold Ctrl key and select this center axis. Now the dia of the hole is 10 and make it through all. Say OK. Then the next feature is these holes, and for this once again go to hole, select this surface, switch on the datum, drag it to this datum, this is 0, drag this handle to this surface and this is 15. Now the dia of hole is 8 and make it through all. Say OK and say OK. Same thing once again, go to hole, select the same surface, drag this handle to this surface and this handle to this datum. This is 15 and this is 0. Make it through all and say OK. So your part is done. So this was the machine part, and I hope this video will be helpful. Now you can like this video if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.